What's the meaning of brittle? Brittle. Brittle.
Brittle. Brittle. The term brittle refers to the tendency of a material to break or fracture under stress without significant deformation. Brittle materials are usually hard and have low ductility, which means they are unable to bend or stretch significantly before breaking. When a brittle material is subjected to excessive stress, it will crack or shatter, often with little or no warning. This characteristic can make brittle materials prone to sudden and catastrophic failure, particularly when they are subjected to dynamic loads, such as impact or vibration. Examples of brittle materials include ceramics, glass, and certain types of metals.